Number 8, Ryan Watkins. Number 10, Mike McKinney. Number 11, Lai Ka-Tor. Number 34, Reynoso!
Alab starting with Alvano, Parks, Ramos, Bachman, and Kalen Tiongson.
And the first defensive possession for Macau, they started off with a 2-3 zone, probably to keep the players out of foul trouble since they don't have a lot of depth on that bench.
As we see McKinney, eluding Bachman. The drop pass at the last second. And basket is good for Watkins.
Just a beautiful move for the first basket with the drive and dish for the first two of Macau.
Alvano, now to Bachman, and here it is for Ronaldo Bachman.
I think his asset really is that he can control his game at his own pace. You talk about a guy, 28 points per game, 9 assists to lead his team, and to be number 1 in the league in scoring and 3rd in assists also.
Meanwhile, Nathan Yu strikes a 3, gives the Macau Black Bears a 3-point lead with almost 2.5 gone by in the first canto. Ramos, no jumper, as the kids would love to call it nowadays. Tucker attacks, gets the foul, and the layup to go. Smart move. Now at the line, yes?
Yeah, to comment though on that report. Obviously a very good team in scoring. Early 8-point start, 2.5 minutes. The problem is the last 2 games we mentioned, they're 1 and 2. But giving up also 105 points in the last 2 games. And it has been not pretty, not pretty for them, losing at an average of 25 points in the last 2.
Big-to-big action there for the 2 Puerto Ricans. Ramos to Bachman, the high-low works, cuts this Macau lead to 4.
Wouldn't it be nice if we had JG Barea also to complete that Puerto Rico team in a 3 world import here?
That's right. That's something to, it's nice to think about, to dream about with PJ Ramos.
Hurt though.
That's right.
Hurt, yeah.
But there's a guy named Doncic playing great basketball.
Out of his mind.
Also playing great for Gilas Pilipinas. That man already has 6, and he's the lone Gilas player who scored so far.
No question, leads the team in points and rebounds at 24 and 13. Parks for 3.
Bang! Reigning 2-time local MVP on coming for Ray Parks Jr.
You talk about, how he has elevated his game. Even after winning, just like you mentioned, an MVP in the UAAP, Mythical, and all those accolades, I thought he has vastly improved and elevated his game more, especially his defense.
Corner 3, and he knocks it down from downtown. On the kick out to Alvano, and Ethan, the maturity, he says, wait a minute, Bachman fires away! 9 markers now for Ronaldo Bachman. Come in, replacing Kalen Tiongson. So it's Domingo, Parks, Ramos, Bachman, and Orbistondo, the 5 on the floor for San Miguel Gilas Pilipinas. That baseball pass again. Ramos loves that pass to Domingo, to Bachman, who now has 11 points.
And who wouldn't? If you can hold the basketball like a tennis ball, just do that every time you can.
Definitely.
You're talking about a former NBA player.
Yes, played for the Knicks.
Played for the Knicks.
Yeah.
Started for the Knicks by a couple seasons.
Along with that was a team with Carmelo Anthony in it. Tyson Chandler was in that team.
Played for the Denver Nuggets.
Yep.
And obviously, we mentioned earlier, for the national team. Obviously, has a lot of experience and can bring a lot to the table.
On King. Derek King. Bristondo missing the perimeter jumper. Off and running is McKinney. Eluding Bachman. Drop pass to Watkins. Great play from McKinney to Watkins.
Gets a stop on the other end and scores on the other end. Good pass once again by McKinney for the deuce.
Parks. Orbistondo, three. That one's there. But here's Lawrence Domingo, Lodo. That is what he does best. You don't even have to drop a play
Right.
for that guy. He will do the dirty work.
Right place at the right time, but that zone has really caused problems. Pretty much a floating zone, trying to entice. But, you know, Alab has to find a way, Andre. Even though Macau is forcing them to take jumpers, to keep driving and put pressure at the rim and just find gaps in that zone to create better shots, especially from the inside.
Ryan Watkins, a product of Boise State. Listed at 6'9". Watkins so far with 6 points. Parks.
Good pass.
Inside. Nice pass. The basket by Lawrence Domingo. Ronaldo Bogman, the lone player with 12 points so far. With the defending champions, San Miguel Pilipinas, hosting the Macau Black Bears as Ryan Watkins knocks the three down. Watkins now with 9 points.
PJ Ramos, as you mentioned on the bench, he's the biggest guy on the 10 guys on the floor.
Parks given daylight, a three, down it goes for Bobby Ray Parks Jr. 7 points, his second triple today.
Orbistondo, 0 for 3 from downtown. They didn't score also in their last game. Good play though by Alab as McKinney answers back. This is how you do it.
McKinney.
During their training and practice, and especially going against San Miguel Pilipinas with the highest rebound percentage, it was really something that they knew they had to improve on. And if there's a game rather, to apply all the things that they've learned, this is definitely it. Back to you, gentlemen.
Thank you, Denise. We couldn't much hear you, Denise. We apologize. But thank you for that report. On the run, Pilipinas. Bogman on offensive foul. I like when you call it as you see it, and then, yeah, you credit the official. Ziao Liu, though, goes to the bench, still holding on his throat.
And a sportsman-like foul.
And now
Yeah.
McKinney and Bogman have words for each other. They're friends. Mike
Right.
McKinney and Ronaldo Bogman. And now here's Bogman at the line. Ronaldo Bogman gets a free throw. 16 points already for Bogmania. Now, if you talk about accolades, this guy right here, he was a champion for the LNBP back in 2014. Also a BSN champion in 2016. He was the finals MVP in that league. He was the defensive player of the year, co-defensive player of the year last season. He was part of the SEC all-freshman team back in 2004. Ronaldo Bogman played for a lot of teams. First went to South Carolina for college. Oh, how about that move from the big man, PJ Ramos, getting his first basket in the game.
I don't think even the combination of the two of us can stop that.
No, sir. I wouldn't even want to try it. Tucker.
Smooth.
What a smart player this guy is.
Smooth.
Anthony Tucker. Again,
Good pass.
I did say that. A great pass inside. You know, Tucker's not the fastest player on the court, but he's definitely one of the smartest guys I've seen with the basketball. Look at Tucker. He's reading the defense again.
Right. But that's more on PJ Ramos though. Avelona.
Avelona inside to Bogman.
Nice. All day.
We also have Miss Denise Tensai reporting at courtside. An exciting game between two exciting teams.
Good
San
D by
Miguel
Albano.
Pilipinas and Macau Black Bears. Yo, again, strokes the three. Third triple for Nathan Yo.
11 big points after just scoring 2 in their last game. You see the space.
Ramos wanted to go to Rosser, steal by McKinney. Watkins sees he has Ramos. But over Ramos and Laguna, and also the beautiful people at Santa Rosa.
Good seal and good pass.
PJ Ramos inside now with 4 points. By the way, on Sunday, we will have a game in Laguna. San Miguel Alo, Pilipinas will be hosting another back-to-back home game. McKinney against Alvano. Two-man game again with Watkins. Back to McKinney. The up fake. McKinney, Watkins. Yo, another three. Bang! 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 It's Alvano, Tiongson, Avilona, Bachman, and Ramos. That's the quintet for Coach Jimmy Alapag for the defending champs. 8 to shoot. Ramos inside. Ramos! 6 points now for the big man.
And they might have to adjust right there, talking about Macau. Instead of putting Watkins on the ball, you might want to put him on the weak side to get bigger and more length help.
Watkins against Ramos. Tucker, back to Watkins. He fires a tray. Down it goes for Watkins, who now has 14 markers.
If he can be consistent with that shot all throughout the night, because PJ Ramos, he's pretty much laying eggs in the paint the whole night also. Avilona for 3.
And Pau Avilona sinks a much-needed 3. But McKinney on the other end scores. Ronaldo Bachman, 3 points. Alo Pilipinas is down by 3. Tucker. Oh, how about this product of Boise State University? Ryan Watkins tracks the ball down. Bachman. Ramos. Inside to Domingo. The foul and the basket is good.
What a pass by the big fella.
Coach Jimmy Alapag. Macau up by 3. Bachman to Parks.
Good
Kick
pass.
out. Alvano 3. Ramos offensive board. Puts it up. Puts it in.
Keep showing it. Why not? After getting the basketball over 3 black shirts and putting it back.
Oh, Anthony Tucker. He is just a silencer. When Alap gets momentum, he's there to just break it. But Bachman says, Bachmania, let's go! 23 points for Bachman. Starting the second half for Coach Jimmy Alapag. Nice look inside to Kalen Yongson, the two-handed jab. Tucker, the pass to Watkins. Another baseball pass. Bachman from PJ Ramos and the 2 Puerto Ricans collaborating. To Ronaldo Bachman. Oh, the steal. Bachmania for the jam! Bachman now with 27 points. McKinney trying to shake off Alvaro. Oh, Watkins with that 3. Ryan Watkins, the product of Boise State, his 3rd triple there. Ramos answering. No. Tucker ahead to you. Oh, gets a lucky bounce. Nathan Yu. Oh! Basket and a foul for Lawrence Domingo.
If you're Macau,
Domingo,
especially after an inbound from the backcourt.
that's right, completes a 3-point play. It's a tie game. McKinney. Oh, wanting a foul.
It was
The white shirts. Parks. Bachman. Easy 2.
Again, Bobby Ray Parks showing why he's the 2nd pick of the recent draft. 5th assist in the ballgame. McKinney inside.
Oh, what a move. And the foul. The hesitation. Driving to the basket, fishing the foul.
Who knew there was traffic also here inside?
McKinney completes the three-point play. These two teams. San Miguel Ala Pilipinas up by one. Ramos, nice look from Bobby Ray Parks Jr.
That was just terrific patience on the part of Ala against the triangle and two defense.
Oh, Tucker dropping at the last second. Parks to Domingo. Puts it up, puts it in for Lawrence Domingo.
And that's what you have to do, especially against this triangle in two. Because the two guys on Bachman and Ramos are not looking to help Domingo doing the right thing, taking it straight to the cup.
Yo, strokes the three.
Good job, partner.
Amelona, corner three, bang, bang! Tucker, step back three. Difficult shot, knocking it down from downtown.
For sure.
Yeah, nonchalantly hitting that three like he was James Harden, cutting this deficit to one. 6 to shoot. Ramos too deep, too big, too strong. PJ Ramos. Now, 14 points. And a three, well, Yuzi Howe. Second triple, the silencer again, tying it up 72 all. Not for long. Ramos with
goodness.
16. Quarters scoring here. It's been close. But then Ala Pilipinas with a 7-point margin, outscoring Macau 30-25. Foul! Avelona! The basket and the foul.
A game for Avelona, who was really the third option.
Filipino basketball fans love the reinforcements of San Miguel Ala Pilipinas. But Watkins still not giving up inside.
His head on the rim.
Oh, big three. Anthony Tucker.
Ice in his veins.
The silencer again. Back the other way with the black shirts. Tucker, extra pass. Corner three, down it goes. Nathan Yu. That's right.
You just saw it right there.
Now Macau with a possession, down 3. 7-12 remaining in the fourth and final period. McKinney, zigzagging. McKinney through traffic. Difficult shot.
Are you kidding me?
Chasing the ball. Domingo inside, gets the 2 over Watkins. Tucker, another silencer for Tucker.
And he gives Domingo the
Just
smile.
a 2. Back to Kalen. Down to PJ. The double. PJ. Albano. Huge 3. Youngson, the putback. Coach Jimmy Alapag sees a little bit of Rudy Hatfield in Kalen Youngson, and why not? That high motor.
Right.
Kalen Youngson, the effort on both sides of the court.
Yep.
33 points, 6 rebounds for Ronaldo Bogman. Mike McKinney, however, at the line. McKinney, a Filipino-American, listed at 6'1", 170 pounds, went to high school in Washington and Fremont, California. Youngson to Parks, inside to Ramos, goes baseline. Ramos! When PJ Ramos is that deep, there's nothing you can do.
And you just got to credit Watkins. Giving up his body, especially in the fourth, has done absolutely everything to stop him, and misses one right here.
Parks. Oh, what a move for the 2-time local MVP. Bobby Ray Parks Jr. at the delight.
Oh, wow, what a play.
And then he is Is down, but he's up.
Back to his man, getting the steal. Oh, he bumped his head on the floor.
Yeah, he hit the back of his head.
He got ejected.
That's right. That's huge. Mike McKinney. He also made history by the way, in college. He played for Sacramento State. He was the first player ever in the school's Division I history to be named Conference Player of the Year and an honorable mention All-American. Now Tucker. Liu. The pass fake, the three. Oh, that's huge. Liu with a three. Liu with 12 points already. Oh, how about Ramos against Watkins? Ramos inside. Bachman the putback. Second time is good. Ronaldo Bachman. It's a running again. Tiongson, Alvano, three, bang! Parks, back to Alvano. They swing it over to Tiongson. Back to Ethan, now to Ray. PJ back to Ray. Up fake, behind the back pass. Bachman, Tiongson. Nice pass from Ronaldo Bachman. And it's Christian. Liu, Parks, off to Bachman.
Highlight.
Center here in San Juan City, the Mighty Mouse, Coach Jimmy Alapag, getting another win. Bachman talking to his team at center court.